Hi, this is Annie with the QuickBooks team. You can create 1099s in QuickBooks Online to send to your contractors and e-file with the IRS. Let's go over how to prepare your 1099s and where you can e-file them with QuickBooks Online after January 1st. Here's some important notes about 1099s. QuickBooks Online supports both the 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC forms. 1099s are due to contractors by January 31st. The 1099 NEC is due to the IRS by January 31st. The 1099 MISC is due to the IRS by February 28th if you file on paper, or by March 31st if you file electronically. QuickBooks Online only supports federal 1099 filing. You may also be required to file them with your state. Contact your state agency for requirements to prepare and file 1099s with them. To start creating 1099s, go to Taxes and 1099s. Note that your navigation may look like this. Then select Get Started. Review your company name, address, phone number, and federal tax ID number for accuracy. If you need to make any changes, select Edit. When you've finished reviewing your info, select Next. On this screen, select the box or boxes that match the payments you made to your contractors. We'll select Non-Employee Compensation, Box 1 of the 1099 NEC for this example. This is the most common payment type. Once you choose your payment type, select the account from your chart of accounts that matches the account you used when paying your contractor. If you're not sure which account you used, select See which expense accounts you used. When you're done, select Next. Next, you'll review your contractors' names, addresses, tax ID numbers, and email addresses. If you need to add or change anything, select Edit. Then fill in the info. When finished, select Next. Review the list of contractors and payments. These contractors will receive a 1099. If you don't see a contractor or payment, this could mean the contractor wasn't paid enough to meet the minimum threshold for a 1099. Or they weren't marked for 1099. Select the 1099 contractors that meet threshold box and select one of the other options to view anyone missing from the main list. If you need to fix any contractors, select Save and Finish later. When you're ready to continue, select Finish Preparing 1099s. Now your 1099s are complete. You have two options from here. You can print or email your 1099s to send them to your contractors and the IRS, or e-file them after January 1st in QuickBooks Online. Now you're ready to create 1099s for your contractors in QuickBooks Online.